I would like to show you about a geometrical question. The goal is to figure out the total area of these blue parts of the shape. First there is a circle here and there is a square. The walls of the square is right beside the walls of the circle. To solve this question, you can take note of two formulas I am using here. First is the formula of area of a circle, which is pi r square, and second is the formula to find the area of a square, which is the length of a wall squared. The reason I have 2r here is because if I extend the r by double, it will match with one of the walls of the square. I took the pi value by this length. In the code you can see I took the pi value. I'm also taking the r from the user. I'm calculating the circle area and the area of the square, and then I'm calculating the blue area by minusing box area with circle area. Then I'm using the round function to limit the decimal points till only 2. Then I'm converting it to a string, and here I'm printing it with the print function. To repeat this whole process again and again, add a while loop here.